A drunk driver is on the loose, and he hits speeds up to 3 miles an hour. The man at the wheel of this lawnmower has been hitting the bottle, and officers are in slow pursuit. Officers can't believe what they're seeing, but that doesn't mean they've lost their sense of humor.
Go put the pit maneuver on, spin him around. Don't roll off.
This driver's sense of balance spells trouble, especially without a door to lean against.
What's he leaning for? Look at him leaning all the way over.
It doesn't take a cop to know this guy is about to tip over. Finally, booze and body weight bring the man down. And after a brief search, there's no shortage of intoxicating evidence.
What the? You got to get up. You're going to burn yourself on that concrete. Now, you make sure you do that. Come on, Phil.
The lawnmower is impounded, and the man will be booked for driving under the influence.